Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my 8 favorite wellness products of 2023. As you know, I'm a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and nutrition has always been a really big part of my life. It's really a key foundation for our health. However, nutrition is not the only pillar or component of our health. If you feel like you're eating really well but not achieving your health goals, I encourage you to look into the other aspects of your life, such as your physical health. Are you moving, exercising, your mental health, your emotional health, your spiritual health, your environment, and so much more. There's many things that we experience in a day and habits that we engage in that can impact our health beyond nutrition. A lot of these products are items that I have implemented over the past many years just to support my health. I love them, and I love them so much that I'm going to recommend them to you in today's video. I hope you enjoy, and I love learning about wellness products, so I would love to know, what are your favorite wellness products? Please let me know in the comments below. Okay, so let's get started with number 1. My first wellness favorite is our cleaner. So this is the cleaner that we use in our home. It is a non-toxic, mineral-based cleaner. It's from Branch Basics. This is the concentrate. It's what I use to clean my entire home. We also love the Oxygen Boost, which is really great for our laundry, for helping to keep our clothes looking fresh, to get out any stains. And then we also love the dishwasher tablets. This concentrate replaces multiple cleaning products to simplify my cleaning routine. It's made with plant and mineral-based ingredients. I love that it's non-toxic. It doesn't have that really strong chemical smell. If you're like me and you're sensitive to strong artificial smells, fragrance, you're going to want to use a product like Branch Basics because it doesn't bother me, it doesn't give me a headache. I love it. And what you'll do is you'll start with this concentrate, and then you'll use different dilution ratios with water to make various cleaners, from an all-purpose cleaner, a hand wash, a bathroom cleaner, and more. We also love the Oxygen Boost for our laundry. It really keeps our whites white and helps get out any stains. And then the dishwasher tablets are a really great way to clean our dishes with a non-toxic product. All of the items that I'll be mentioning today, I will put links below in the video description box. And I also am an affiliate for a number of these products. Anytime I love a product, and I've been using it ongoing, I'll sign up to become an affiliate. And what that means is that I can provide you a discount code, and then I earn a small commission when you shop through my link. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but shopping through our affiliate links is a really great way to support our content, to support our small business, and we really appreciate it. So you can use the code Healthy Grocery Girl, all together, Healthy Grocery Girl, for 15% off starter kits. I know you're going to love this. I've been using it for years, and it's just a really great way to clean our home without using any toxins or harsh chemicals. Next, let's chat coffee. Don't you just love the smell of coffee? Ah, it smells so good. So for the longest time, coffee would actually upset my stomach, and no matter what I tried, it would upset my stomach until I switched to Purity coffee. Never upsets my stomach. I love coffee. I worked in a coffee shop in college. I actually now drink decaf coffee because I am someone who's prone to anxiety, and I just noticed that when I drink a lot of caffeine, it makes me feel more on edge and more anxious, so I have switched to decaf coffee. However, a traditional process for decaffeinating coffee could include chemicals, which I personally, and I'm sure you as well, want to avoid. So I really like a water process, or it's called a Swiss water process. It's a way to decaffeinate coffee beans without using chemicals. The brand of coffee that we drink in our household is Purity Coffee. There is the kind of regular caffeinated full strength coffee, and then there's what they call the Calm coffee. It is their decaf coffee. What I love about Purity Coffee is that these are organic coffee beans, and they are tested for mold. Not all companies do this, to ensure that this coffee is free from mold, as well as mycotoxins, heavy metals, fungicides, fertilizers, and insect damage. When it's an item that you're consuming every single day, whether it's a product you're using in your home, a product you're putting on your skin, or something you're consuming, eating, or drinking, I really recommend looking into the ingredients and ensuring that they are supportive of your health. If you want to try my favorite coffee, you can use the code HGG20 for 20% off, and of course the link will be below in the video description box. So after you have a good cup of coffee, it's probably a good idea to brush your teeth. So next, let's talk about our favorite toothpaste. So we take dental health really seriously in our family. It's not only important for the health of our mouth and our dental health, but our oral health is connected to our gut health and the health of our microbiome. Essentially, bacteria can travel between our mouth and our stomach, and our stomach and our mouth, and this can impact our health overall. So we want to support our oral health as best we can because it actually does impact our health overall. And have you ever read the ingredients on your toothpaste? It's one of those items that you may not even think about, but I encourage you to look at the ingredients on your toothpaste. The brand of toothpaste that we love is from Risewell, and this is the adult version, this is the kid version. In our house, we call this the Sprinkle Monster version because there's a little monster with sprinkles on the top. It has a cake battered taste, which is great because if you have a child who's a little sensitive to a more adult tasting toothpaste that has more of a mint or a spearmint or what my kids say, a spicy flavor, the kid version is great and it's going to provide the same benefits as the adult toothpaste. So what I love about Risewell toothpaste is that it is an effective toothpaste without the toxins. Toothpaste can actually be filled with chemicals and ingredients that are not supportive of our health. With Risewell, one key ingredient in their toothpaste that I love is hydroxyapatite. Hydroxyapatite is a naturally occurring mineral that makes up 97% of our tooth enamel, and it has been scientifically proven to strengthen and protect our teeth without fluoride. So Risewell not only has toothpaste, they also have dental floss and mints. They also have a mouthwash, and you can use my code HGG10 for 10% off any item from the Risewell shop online. Let's chat CBD. So I've been taking CBD personally for years. For me, why I take it is because I notice that I am less anxious and I sleep better when I consume CBD. I have tried a number of different CBDs, and the CBD that I'm currently taking and really loving, and I've taken it in the past as well. You probably have seen a video that I created where I was sharing some of my favorite wellness habits and natural relief tips for anxiety that I mentioned the CBD product in before. I will link that video below in the video description box. But I love Equilibria CBD, and I find that it really helps me, as I mentioned, just personally why I take it and why it benefits me is it really helps me with my anxiety. It helps me to fall asleep more quickly at night and to stay asleep more quickly at night. And if I wake up in the middle of the night, to be able to then fall back asleep more quickly. So it's been one of the best things that I have integrated into my wellness routine to help me with my anxiety and sleep. One of the main reasons I love Equilibria is their quality. EQ owns their own farm in Colorado where they have their hands on the entire production from seed to home, and they make all of their products non-GMO, organic, with no pesticides, no heavy metals, and all quality reports are posted on their website for full transparency. And this is something that's really important to me and I really appreciate. Equilibria also has dosing specialists, which is really helpful. If you're new to CBD, you just want to learn more about it, you want to know what product is best for you or what dosage, what amount is going to be best for you, a dosing specialist is incredible. They're free, they're super knowledgeable, and it's a great resource that Equilibria offers. Next is an item that I keep in my closet. It is my near-infrared sauna. I have been using my near-infrared sauna for years, and it has been a really good support to my health. I love it for so many reasons. If it's a cloudy day, it warms me up. If you struggle with seasonal affective disorder from all the cloudy days, it's really helpful for just kind of like personally. I can't say that maybe there's a scientific study that supports this, but personally I will say that when I use my sauna, it like helps lift my mood and I feel better. So here's me in my sauna. Other benefits include pain relief, detoxification, weight loss, stress reduction, immune support, as well as cognitive function. So I currently keep my panel of lights in my closet. The sauna that we have comes with the big canvas tent around it, but it is a quite large item. And so we just didn't have a space in our house that we could keep the full tent and the sauna set up consistently. So what I did is I just put a panel of lights in my closet because it kind of creates a nice enclosed space for me to just go in there, be in my closet, close the door, have my sauna time. But you can also just get a single panel light. You don't have to get the full, they have lots of different options. You don't have to go with the full option, which is what I have, but you can start with a single panel light, which will still be incredibly beneficial to you. I will put a link below to the sauna that we have, as well as some other options from Sauna Space. That's the brand of our sauna that we love, for you to check it out. It's definitely an investment piece, but it is a wonderful investment in your health. Next, let's talk about elderberry, one of my favorite berries for supporting our immune health. So we love the brand Seattle Elderberry. This is actually their DIY kit, which is what I use to make this lovely concoction. You can also get their elderberry just ready to go in a jar. They have gummies, they have all sorts of options, but we really love elderberry, and it's incredible for supporting our immune health. It seems like sickness is just going around constantly. If you have kids that are sick, if you're sick, if you find yourself consistently getting sick, I highly recommend incorporating some elderberry into your routine and see if that provides some benefit to you. But I know personally in our family, it's been a great help, and it also just tastes delicious. So we really love elderberry, and we consume it year round, especially if we feel like we've been in a space around a lot of other people who are currently sick, or we just are somewhere in a gathering where there's lots of people and we come home and we're like, wow, that was a lot of people we were just around. We'll definitely take some elderberry. So it's just a great staple to have to support your health and your immune health. My final wellness favorites for this video is an app. It's called Insight Timer. So I love meditation. I have meditated on and off for years. And why I meditate and why I love it is it really helps me to recenter, to calm down, to focus on my breathing. And as I mentioned earlier in this video, I am someone who's more prone to worry, anxiety. Stress tends to impact me in a big way. I very easily get stressed and I physically feel the impacts of that stress. And so daily I try to find moments where I can kind of pause and recenter and practice some deep breathing to help move my body back into the parasympathetic state, which is a more kind of rest and digest and relax state instead of being more in a fight or flight mode all the time. So I personally love guided meditations because I don't know if you've ever tried to meditate, but it can be kind of tricky to just sit there with your eyes closed in silence for a long period of time. My mind wanders, I get bored. So I love a guided meditation because it takes a while to find a meditation, whether it's the voice of someone or the music or how they speak or what they say that really feels like, yeah, I like this. But what I like about Insight Timer is they have all these different teachers, so many different options for guided meditations, and then you can kind of save your favorites, you can save your favorite teachers. And what I do is typically the time I'm most consistent with my meditation is right before bed, and I'll just put on my guided meditation, I'll put my phone down, and I'll just kind of lay in my bed before I go to sleep, and I'll just listen to my meditation, and it's a really good way to help my mind kind of calm down before I go to sleep. And some of the things that a teacher or someone who's leading the guided meditation may remind me is to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and to do that a few times. And different phrases that are really important to help us not be in the fight or flight mode, such as, I am safe. Right now, I am safe. Things like that are really powerful. Words are really powerful, and the words we say to ourselves are really powerful. And so much more. I'm not a meditation teacher, so I couldn't lead you through an actual meditation and everything that they say. But I love the app. It is free, and then they also have a premium membership as well. But there's a lot of really great content in the free version. And one more thing I'll say about it is, I don't know about you, but I'm very motivated by numbers. And so I really love tracking my meditation progress. So as of today, filming this video, I have meditated for 35 days in a row, 316 minutes. And that's really amazing. 316 minutes of the past month, essentially. I have taken time to slow down and pause and focus on my breathing and say words of affirmations that really help me feel more calm and centered and less anxious. And I love the consecutive day tracking, because I don't want to miss a day now, because then I'm starting back over at zero. So I love having the ability to, I don't know if you can see, but to track how many days I've been meditating. But if you are someone like me who can be a little anxious about things in life, meditation, and there's so many, scientific benefits to it if you start researching into meditation, and how beneficial it can be for you. So, and I'm also a person of faith, and there's also, I guess I can mention it right now. This wasn't on my list of things to talk about, but it's called the Pause app. So you can look that up in the App Store. It's the Pause app. And it's also a faith-based guided meditation to pause in your day. It's like calming music and integrates more of a faith element into the meditation. So there's lots of options, but really what meditation is to me is just a moment to slow down, to breathe, to remind myself that I'm safe, to speak positive words to myself, and to really focus on relaxing my forehead, relaxing my jaw, relaxing my shoulders. Like sometimes when we're stressed, we can get really tense. And just take a moment to kind of relax your body. We need those reminders frequently throughout the day. So I love meditation. There's some great apps out there, and those are a few of my favorites. All of my makeup, my sunscreen, my shampoo, my conditioner, lotion, a number of skincare products and personal products that I use are from Beautycounter. I've been using Beautycounter for years. It's a safer, cleaner skincare, makeup, personal product company. Here are a few of the reasons why I love Beautycounter. One, what we put on our skin is incredibly important. There are so many ingredients that can be put into personal products that aren't regulated. This industry is not regulated, so a lot can be put into products without anyone overseeing it and saying, yes, no, you can do that, you can't do that. So you really have to know what to look for when you're looking for personal products, or find brands who have incredible standards. That way you're not having to read every single ingredient list and being like, is this okay? Is that okay? Find brands who have incredible standards, and that kind of can give you reassurance that, okay, this is a really good brand and everything that they're creating I know is gonna be safe, it's gonna be non-toxic and not disruptive to my health. Here are a few reasons why we love Beautycounter. In my house, it's a long list, so I'm gonna actually put up text here and share it with you now. So Beautycounter products are formulated without harmful chemicals or questionable ingredients. The United States only bans 11 cosmetic ingredients. Meanwhile, Canada bans 600. And Europe bans 1,400. In fact, the last time Congress passed a law regulating the cosmetic industry was in 1938. Beautycounter bans 1,800 chemicals that are known to be harmful or unsafe. Beautycounter is certified by the Environmental Working Group, is Leaping Bunny certified, is never tested on animals, is a certified B Corporation, works to source sustainable ingredients, has safer skincare that reduces our exposure to health risks, and Beautycounter skincare and makeup are quality, they're well-performing products made with cleaner and safer ingredients. So I actually became a Beautycounter consultant many years ago, and as I mentioned earlier in this video, because I am a small business owner and my business is creating content and sharing nutrition tips and wellness ideas with you, one way that we support our business is by becoming an affiliate, which is essentially what a consultant is. So when I recommend a product, I can earn a small commission for that recommendation. So I am a Beautycounter consultant. But what that means is I also know a lot about Beautycounter. So if you ever have any questions about their products, or if you want to know about any current sales or discount codes, because they have different discount codes and different sales that happen throughout the year, you can leave a comment below. But the fastest way to get a hold of me is to send me an email through the contact page on my website. If you have a question about Beautycounter or really any of the wellness products I mentioned today, or just want to chat more about wellness and nutrition, the contact page on our website, healthygrocerygirl.com, that goes to my email. So I will get that, I will see that, where sometimes a comment may take me a day or two to see, or longer depending on how often I'm checking the comment section. So anyways, I just wanted to share Beautycounter with you. It's a great company to check out for really all of your makeup, skincare, personal products, sunscreen. I use the shampoo and the conditioner, and I also love this sunscreen. It's safe for the whole family. So definitely check out Beautycounter if you're looking to switch to cleaner personal products. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning more about some of my favorite wellness products of this year and that have been my favorites for many years. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments below. As mentioned, I'll put links and any discount codes I can share with you in the comments below as well. And I would love to know your favorite wellness products. What are the items that you use every day, every week, you stand behind, you love, and you want all of us to know about? So let me know in the comments below. Thank you, friends, so much for watching today's video, for subscribing to our YouTube channel. I hope you're having a happy and a very healthy day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!